Hello and welcome to Up and Down the Road. If this is your first time here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. This week we're going to be replacing the floors, finishing up that job from start to finish in less than 20 minutes. So hang on, it's going to be a wild ride. Yeah, the 20 minutes is actually the miracle of film editing. But job took a little longer. We're ready to get the floors replaced. This is what they look like, what the situation is.
I'm always turning lights on for you.
Yeah, this is all our furniture. This is the other room. It's getting done. Walking around flipping some lights on. Our contractor just pulled up in front.
Good morning. There's guys in my house. They're looking around at everything.
Well, Beth and I were really happy to get these floors done. And because when you go to Europe and come back, it seems like you don't have time for anything because you're always busy just getting caught up. But the guys did a really good job. They were really quick with it, and hope you enjoy this video. There's a lot of this time lapse. It was fun. So here's what happens when you hire professionals. How long are we in here?
20 minutes.
20 minutes? When you hire professionals in 20 minutes, this is what happens. Everything is outside. Beth is inside.
Very happy.
We now live outside. All our furniture is out here, basically. Some is upstairs. And the guys are already starting to tear out baseboard.
Yeah.
You like?
Like Venezuela, war, professional, power.
I'm waiting for the tile truck. It's supposed to be here at 10:30.
What time is it?
10:31.
Oh, don't. Oh, my God. Get on the phone. That's a lot of vinyl. And where's all that vinyl going?
It's going into the...
All that vinyl is going into a landfill somewhere.
Well,
But we got 5 years out of it. You would think it would last longer. But here was the problem with the vinyl. If you watched the video that we just posted just now, or just in this video, hopefully I put it in here. It took them less than an hour to pull it up because whoever installed it didn't glue it down very good. This stuff just ripped off of the floor. So
popped up.
Yeah, very poor installation. But we didn't know. We weren't living here.
We weren't even here when they installed it. We were in Chicago.
Oh, I think I hear a truck. There's our guy.
The truck is here 8 minutes late, which I think is excellent. Where's that going? Right here?
Yeah.
Good
Morning.
Good.
Good. I'm not gonna put you on camera.
Oh, no, you're fine.
Oh, okay. People don't get it. They don't want it. It's like,
I don't know.
yeah.
So you want to try to get all three in here?
If you think you can.
I can, but are you fine with me sliding it?
Hell yeah.
It might scratch the floor a little bit.
Oh my God.
I just have to let you know.
Okay,
Some
yeah.
people don't like it.
No, I'd rather have an omelet than uncracked eggs.
Right? I agree with you.
All right. That's what we want.
Okay.
16 feet, 160 feet
Oh, yeah.
plus one. Yeah, you're good. Great.
What's this?
You guys are living here while they're working?
Yeah.
That's fun.
We're pretty adventurous. And
Okay, so these are different dyes, lots, whatever.
okay.
So if we can get this into the bedroom, and then this for the, you know what I mean? I don't know. We'll just tell the guy.
You have to
Let him
tell the
do
guy.
it. Yeah.
Yep.
So we're all good.
We have all the material. Now we just need the dumpster,
Yeah.
and we can get out of here. We'll get a beer.
I don't think they're done with the floor over here yet.
No. There's our dumpster.
Welcome. Day one. Pretty exciting.
Yeah. Total tear out. All the furniture's outside. They set this tile. And they did it really fast.
It looks nice.
And I think it looks good. It'll look even better when it gets some grout in it.
Yeah. And the rest of the floor is around it.
Right. Then here's the bedroom. Same thing. Total tear out. And lastly, there was another bathroom over here that they took out the vanity and the toilet and all the tile. Little closet here, same thing. And this tile all here was all
Ceramic tile.
ceramic tile. You can see where it was. The rest of this was vinyl. When we bought the house,
It was carpeted.
it was carpeted.
Florida house, carpeting.
Took us a couple of years to get to this point,
Yep.
but here we are.
Yep.
All right, till tomorrow.
Yes. Tomorrow more tile comes.
More tile tomorrow.
Yes.
Lots more tile.
So it'll be fun to watch.
Yep, you saw all the material in the garage, or at least I hope you did. So here we go.
All right.
So just a little update here. This is day 2 of the tile install. And I'm just sitting out here by the pool on the couch. So I can kind of see how frat houses would approve of having couches and indoor furniture outdoors. This is actually pretty comfortable, sitting out here in the sun by the pool. But we have some outdoor furniture, so. But yeah, I get it. So day 2, the guys are here. They're laying out the tile, and they're going to be installing some tile today. Whether they finish or not, I kind of doubt it. It's kind of a lot of tile to lay. But they might finish it and then grout it tomorrow. I don't know. I don't know what their plan is. And nice guys and everything, but they speak Portuguese and I speak English. And we're trying to meet in the middle. But they know what they're doing. So we'll just let them do what they're doing. And we'll show you guys when they're done. Or progress as we go along. So, beautiful day in Florida. tile guys just left, and they finished laying all the tile. They haven't grouted it yet, but it looks pretty good. Let me show you around a little bit. There you can see the little detail we did on the floor. So all this flooring has been replaced. Tomorrow they're coming to grout. They finished up over here by where the fireplace is. All new tile there. Lots of little pieces on this end. And that's about it. So almost done. This has been a big maintenance headache for us on the flooring, in terms of the flooring. The old stuff was vinyl, it was scratched up and everything, so this is a big improvement. And it looks cleaner. And it should last longer. We'll give you a video of when it's all done and the furniture's back in. So we'll do that right here. All right, let's get this done.
Okay.
One take.
One take. We're done.
That's it. It's all done. The tile job is finished.
Very happy. All the furniture is back. All the trim is installed. It looks great.
We got rid of the crappy vinyl tile that we've had since we bought the house. It was kind of it was supposed to be a quick, the vinyl tile was supposed to be just a quick thing.
Temporary fix.
And this is 5 years later.
Yeah.
So, but
yeah.
when you're busy doing other stuff, that's what happens.
And floors are, it's the floor. It's not something that has to be done like a refrigerator or something like that.
So Beth, what was the biggest problem you would say we had with the tile install?
Just the nervousness of getting it done and everything, and making sure everything came the way it wanted to be. So,
What about the 2 different lock colors?
not a problem.
Not a problem at all?
No.
Oh, okay. Yeah, there are 2 different lock colors here. Make sure if you buy tile that you get the same tile, or
Same lot.
same lot number, or you mix them up a little bit, which is kind of what we ended up doing. It looks fine.
Yeah.
So, yeah, that's the tile job done.
Yeah.
You guys saw the whole thing.
Yep, Tulio said it would be like 10 days, and it only took 7, so that was bonus.
Yeah,
we were living upstairs the whole time, so that was this little tiny apartment kind of area we were living in. So it's nice to be back here and done. Really happy with it.
Yeah, so let me show you around.
Okay.
Yeah, it was 7 days of this. Let's take a look. I'll spin you guys around. This is the tile that they did at the fireplace. Transition to the kitchen. Still looking at tile. More tile. More tile. Furniture's back in the house. It's a lot cleaner look, wouldn't you say, Beth?
Yeah, and I'm really happy with the entranceway, the line we put in to delineate where the entrance is and where the house is.
Yeah, this used to be a brown tile, all of this, and now it's this fancy gray. So, and it goes good with the bathroom stuff. Oh, all new baseboard too. So, yeah, I would recommend if you're going to do a tile job, that you replace the baseboard. And listen to what Beth says, don't use quarter round. So,
yeah, I had to get the lady at the tile store to talk to Mark into not using quarter round.
So. Yeah, I don't know why.
Because it's old fashioned.
Yeah, so.
And it costs
so
more.
Am I. So am I.
Yes, you are.
So that's going to do it for this one. It was a little long, I think, maybe. We'll see how the editing comes out. But tried to make it interesting. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy the video, thumbs up. And subscribe if you haven't.
Yep.
If this is your first time here, we're Mark and Beth. And this is the end of the video. You should have figured that out by now. And we're up and down the road. And we do these videos just for family and friends to keep track of where the hell we are.
But you're welcome to. If you don't know who, if we've never met you, you're
Yeah,
so welcome
if you want to keep
be.
track of us,
Yep,
we
go
don't
ahead
care.
and subscribe. It's fun. We meet
Subscribe.
people.
It's also free this
Yes.
week
Ah.
on YouTube. They're running a special.
What?
Yeah, on subscriptions. All the subscriptions are free.
Subscribe.
We are really close to getting 500 subscribers,
Woohoo!
which would be like a big milestone
Yeah.
for us. So again, thumbs up, subscribe. You got any comments? Leave them in the comments, and we'll read the comments.
There you go.
All right, I'm rambling.
Oh, yes, you are.
So,
Bye.
we'll see you
Up and
up and
down
down
the
the
road.
road.